Dear students, today we start our second semester course Management Science. Management Science Origin and Development. Management Science is relatively a new discipline. Operations research and operational research are another names of management science. The British or Europeans prefer to use operations research, but the Americans prefer to use operations research. Americans sometimes combine the two terms operations research and management science together and say operations research management science or ORMS. Industrial engineering and decision science are yet another terms used to denote this discipline. Recently, there has been a move for setting a single term used to denote this discipline, namely operations research. Now, let us look at the origin of the operations research. Even though operations research is a relatively new discipline, when we examine the origin, we may see that its roots extended to early 1800s. However, the term operations research was firstly coined by McCloskey and Trefton of UK in 1940. Operations research came into existence in a military context. Actually, it is an outgrowth of Second World War. During Second World War, there were many strategic and tactical problems. These were greatly complicated problems before the military management. Therefore, the military management called on scientists from various disciplines and organized them into teams. The main duty of the team was to assist the military management in solving strategic and tactical problems and to suggest ways and means to improve the execution of various military projects. The team studied each and every aspect of the military system. By their joint effort, experiences, and deliberations, the team suggested certain approaches on utilization of scarce military resources. These approaches, suggested by the team of experts, showed remarkable progress in the Second World War. This new approach of systematic and scientific study of the operations of a system was called operations research. Now, let us see the situation after Second World War. Following the Second World War, the success of military team attracted the attention of industrial managers of UK. By the end of 1940s, operations research had become an important tool for decision making in the areas of business and management. By the beginning of 1950s, American industrialists realized the importance of operations research in solving their business and management problems. Today, operations research is widely used in commerce, management, business, mathematics, engineering, public administration, social work, behavioral science, and so on. Now, let us see operations research in Indian context. In India, operations research came into existence in the year 1949 by opening an operations research unit at the Regional Research Laboratory RRL at Hyderabad. In 1953, an operations research unit established in Indian Statistical Institute ISI Kolkata for application of operations research methods for national planning and survey. In the year 1957, Operations Research Society of India was formed. Then Operations Research Society of India became a member of International Federation of Operations Research Societies in 1959. In the application of operations research in India, the first attempt was done by Professor Mahalanobis. Who was Mahalanobis? Mahalanobis was a member of Indian Planning Commission. He formulated the second five-year plan with the help of operations research techniques to forecast the trends of demand, availability of resources, etc. for scheduling complex schemes necessary for developing our country's economy. Dear students, now let us go to the meaning and definition of operations research. Before knowing the meaning and definition of operations research or management science, we have to spare few minutes to recall the significance of decision making. Without saying few words about decision making, one cannot explain or one cannot understand this operations research. All of you know the main activity of every individual or group of individuals or an institution is the decision making. In our daily life, we make number of decisions without noticing them. In ordinary situations, decisions are taken by common sense or our knowledge or expertise. In such a situation, we do not use any mathematical or other models for decision making. But sometimes decision making may be complex and heavily responsible. For example, planning of a public transportation system in a city. This situation is not an ordinary situation. In this situation, decision cannot be made by common sense only. Let us see another example. Finding an appropriate product mix when there are large number of products with different profit contributions and production requirements. Here also, decision cannot be made by common sense. In all these situations, decision making requires a lot of information, but the decision making authority or system may do not have complete information. The system consists of man, machine and procedures fail to take appropriate decision in such situations. This is actually the situation which demands the need for a new discipline by drawing tools, techniques and principles from different disciplines such as mathematics, statistics, engineering, psychology, etc. The combination of all these will provide a strong and rational basis for decision making. This new discipline so formed is called operations research. And today, operations research has become a professional discipline which deals with the application of scientific methods for making decisions, especially in the allocation of scarce resources. As it is a relatively new discipline, the boundaries of operation research are not yet fixed. Dear students, I already told you operations research is a relatively new discipline. The contents and boundaries of operations research are not yet fixed. Therefore, defining operations research is a difficult task. Operations research actually starts when mathematical and quantitative techniques are used to validate the decisions being taken. Now, let us see some definitions given by some authorities. The first one is given by Churchman, Eckhoff, and Arnoff. According to them, operations research is the application of scientific methods, techniques, and tools to the problems involving the operations of a system so as to provide those in control of the system with optimal solution to the problem. This definition says when we apply scientific tools, techniques, etc., to the problems of a system, they will be under the control of the system with the optimal solution to the problem. Okay. Next is the definition given by James Lundy. According to James Lundy, operations research is a sophisticated name given to multidisciplinary and problem oriented approach to the top management problems. What is OR according to Lundy? OR is a sophisticated name, means latest technology based name given to multidisciplinary and problem oriented approach. OR is multidisciplinary because it draws principles, tools, and techniques from various disciplines. Again, it is a problem oriented approach as it deals with decision making under complicated situations. Lundy also states that OR is an approach to top management problem, means it is an approach to heavily responsible problems. The next definition is given by H.A. Taha. He defines operations research is the use of scientific knowledge through interdisciplinary team approach for the purpose of determining the best utilization of limited resources. Taha states OR is nothing but an approach to determine optimal utilization of limited resources with the help of scientific knowledge and interdisciplinary team effort. Another definition is a simple one given by H.M. Wagner. According to H.M. Wagner, operations research is a systematic approach to problem solving for executive management. T.L. Sethi and Arthur Clarke defined operations research beautifully. T.L. Sethi defines operations research is the art of giving bad answers to problems which otherwise have worse answers. Sethi states OR gives bad answers to the problems. However, these bad answers are so valuable because otherwise we may arrive at worse answers. Okay. According to Arthur Clarke, operations research is the art of winning wars without actually fighting them. Dear students, now let us see the important features of operations research. Based on the meaning and definitions given by various authors, we may derive some important features of operations research. At first, operations research is primarily meant for decision making, irrespective of the situation involved. Secondly, operations research is a scientific or methodological approach to decision making. Thirdly, it is an interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary approach to real life problems. Nextly, operations research is a team approach. Again, operations research is a holistic and system oriented approach. Nextly, it is an objective approach to optimize the objective function of maximization of profit or minimization of cost. Nextly, operation research provides bad answers to the problems which otherwise have worse answers. Nextly, operation research provides a quantitative basis for analyzing complicated real life problems. Next feature is that operations research uses different types of mathematical models built by quantitative measurements of variables concerning the problem. And finally, due to the complexity of models and large volume of data, the use of computers has become an integral part of operations research. Now, let us wind up today's class. Okay, thank you.